Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are counting down top 10 isekai animes, but before that, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel because I will be uploading more anime videos like this.
Wanna fuck with me? Don't wanna test your luck with me? Cause
at number 10 we have I'm Standing on a Million Lives. This is an anime about a group of students who get suddenly transported to another world where they meet a strange person calls himself Game Master, and he gives them some time trial quests to complete.
I'm the one and only, bring it home slowly. Hand your boy the trophy, patience is holy moly. I got him hating on me like Michael hates Toby. Force like I'm Obi, you know the one Kenobi. Force fed baloney by phonies, just wanna rule the world. Call me Mr. Steel Girl, Easy gave me the referral, now he's worried about a jail. Yeah, coming out strong, I've been here for a long time. Started off on
At number 9 we have Kuma 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 Beer. It is an isekai anime with an female protagonist. The story is about Yuna who suddenly gets transported to a game world with an beer outfit which she gets from game admins, which has some pretty overpowered abilities.
Don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. Don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. I can taste it, I'm
At number 8 we have My Next Life as a Villainess All Routes Leads to Doom. It is also an isekai anime with a female protagonist. This anime, our protagonist transferred to an Utami game world and turns into an villainess, and there she tries to not trigger any doom flags.
I've been baking like your mama's casserole, she makes me. I turn on the radio when you hear some shit, your throat all slit if you don't post this, and I won't be missed. Hell no, I'm pissed. I'm the only rapper in this game worth shit. I go it on my own, don't need nobody's help. I do it all alone, I'ma do it by myself. All these lyrics on my own, you won't put me on the shelf. Every punch that I throw, I can send your ass to hell. Better run, bitch, now with me.
At number 7 we have Ascendance of a Bookworm. This one is also an isekai anime with a female protagonist. In this anime, our protagonist is super obsessed with books, but she transferred to a world where books are so rare. So she decides to make her own books in a world where books are considered as royalty.
Bars to a fucking graveyard 6 feet underground.
At number 6 we have Arifureta from Commonplace to World's Strongest. In this anime, our protagonist and his classmates suddenly transports into another world. Hajime doesn't possess any special abilities, so he gets betrayed, and after getting betrayed, his journey to become world's strongest starts.
Think straight, need the light. I need to breathe. Get me up and out of the sheets, onto my feet. Another cup of coffee and me, that's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Ay, I think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out the segregation. I think I needed just a better education to understand a world that's so complicated. Intoxicated, every night faded, just so I can sleep thinking that it's sated. I feel hated, I feel hatred. I'm lost deep in my mind that I've created. I have dreams where my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. Need thicker skin cause this life is no haven. Nod your head if you get what I'm saying. All these thoughts keep me up at night.
At number 5 we have Mao-sama Retry. In this isekai anime, our protagonist who manages an MMORPG, after 15 years of creating the game, he decides to shut the game down. He suddenly finds himself in another world, in the body of a demon lord from that very same game.
I don't really think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate with everything external. Not trying to throw shade, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life, hey. There's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about what others have and live your life, hey. Be aware of who you are, what you're good at. Take a step forward, see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud, talk loud. Every word
At number 4 we have Wise Man's Grandchild. It is a story about an ordinary salaryman in Japan who gets reincarnated to another world, where an old man finds him and raises him. And as he grows, he shows unparalleled talent for both magic and martial arts.
Up at night, yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Oh, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right?
number 3 we have Didn't I Say to Make My Abilities Average in My Next Life. In this anime, our protagonist who stood out from every other person in her previous life suddenly dies and gets a chance to get her one wish granted. So she wishes to make her abilities average.
Something got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing all my checks, rich hickeys on my neck, shit. She's on the offensive, I do not know my set list. Still I'm gonna get lit, yeah I have a death wish. Live until I'm breathless, I'ma stay progressive.
At number 2 we have Cautious Hero. The hero is overpowered but overly cautious. In this anime, the goddess Restarte summons a hero from another world to save a world from destruction. But the hero she summons is Seiya, who is overpowered but is super cautious, even while doing simple day-to-day tasks.
Getting no sleep, these girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep, these girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep.
And finally at number 1 we have Bofuri. It is also an isekai anime with a female protagonist. In this anime, our protagonist Maple gets an VR MMORPG from her friend Sally. So she starts playing it, but while upgrading her abilities, she decides to max out her defense instead of another abilities, just because she doesn't like pain.
Lesson with hands-on sessions, points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions, I answer with my presence. I sit back while I'm texting, said she wants to get in, said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man, you know what happened next, man. Treat her like a guest, man, rolling out the best, man. She had a confession, yeah, she wanna stay for a minute.
With that, if you liked the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be uploading more anime videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram. There I upload every anime and manga news. The link is in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.
Don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting